हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आपका हमारे इस एजुकेशनल चैनल एजुअड्डा में। आज हम क्लास 6 का चैप्टर नंबर 1 फूड वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। इस वीडियो का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया जाएगा। इस लिंक को अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करें ताकि उन तक ये वीडियो पहुंचे। इस चैप्टर में हम मेन टॉपिक मेन कंटेंट डिस्कस करेंगे ताकि आपका जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट है इस चैप्टर का वो क्लियर रहे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। मूविंग टू द पेज फ्रॉम योर एनसीईआरटी बुक। आप अपनी बुक से भी इस चैप्टर को रीड कर सकते हैं और जिन चीज़ों को हमने अंडरलाइन किया अगर आप उन चीज़ों को अंडरलाइन करके रीड कर लेंगे तो आपका ये चैप्टर विद इन 10 मिनट्स कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फूड वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम। ओके, तो फर्स्ट पेज में हमें जो लर्न करना है दैट थिंक अबाउट राइस कुक्ड एट होम। वी टेक rice. Okay, we take rice and boil it in water. Just two material. These material are known as ingredient. Ingredient, it means the raw material. Okay, the raw material. Raw material substances which we use to prepare a dish. So here, what are the raw material? Just rice. Okay, now move to the next. Food items and their ingredients. Okay, like in roti and chapati, what we use? Atta and water, flour and water. In dal, we use pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee and spices. Okay, these are the ingredient, or we can call these are the raw material which we use during the preparation of any dish. Okay, now food material and their sources. Okay, as you know, fruit and vegetables, where do they come from? They come from plant. Okay, vegetable, fruit, pulses, cereal, these come from plants. So they are so their source is plant. Okay, and there are food items like milk, egg, meat which come from animal. So they are we obtain them from animals. Okay, so there are two types of food material, one from plants and another from animals. Okay, plant sources we obtain what are the substances we obtain from plant sources like pulses, cereals, grains, fruit, vegetables, and from animal we got milk, egg, meat. Okay, these are the ingredients we obtain from animals. So there are two main type of food sources, plant sources as well as animal sources. Now here is a table 1.3 given over here. Okay, in this table, what are the food item used to prepare a dish? For idli we need rice, urad dal, salt and water. Okay, here rice we obtain from plant, urad dal also from plant. Okay, salt we obtain from sea, we obtain from sea water. Okay, water we obtain from river. Then chicken curry we obtain chicken from animals, spices from plant, oil and ghee from plant as well as animal sources. Okay, mustard oil. Okay, mustard oil we obtain from plant, whereas butter, cheese, milk we obtain from animal sources. Now move to the next page. Plant are the sources of food ingredient like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruit, whereas animal provide us milk, meat product and eggs. Cow, goat, buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk, and milk product like butter, cream, cheese, curd are used all over. Okay, so there are two types of sources, plant sources as well as animal sources. What are the product? of plant and animal sources we can go through from the book. Now here is a diagram given over here which shows the different parts of plant, flower, fruit. Okay, this is a mustard plant. So in this part of the plant we obtain seed of mustard from which we obtain oil, stem, leaf. Now move to the next. We eat many leafy vegetable. Okay, cabbage, you know, cabbage, cauliflower. Okay, these are the example of leafy vegetable. Some plants, fruit of some plants, sometimes roots, stem, even flower also. Okay, I think you can give example of root, stem, even flower in comment box. Now the edible part which we eat, they are source of food. Seed of mustard plant give us oil. Leaf are used as a vegetable. जो सरसों का साग बनता है ना वो मस्टर्ड लीफ से ही बनता है. चलिए, brinjal curry, we obtain brinjal which is a fruit of a plant. Now here is the most important thing. Here is the activity given, and I think each one of you should perform this activity at home. इसमें करना क्या है, कुछ नहीं करना. आपको चना या मूंग दाल लेना है, उसे कुछ देर अबाउट 2 to 3 आवर वाटर में डिप करके रखना है उसे. आप एक दिन जैसे आज रात को आपने भिगोया और सुबह मॉर्निंग में आपने उसे पानी से निकाल कर और कॉटन के कपड़े में उसे लपेट कर रख देना है. देन व्हाट हैपन आफ्टर नेक्स्ट डे, उसमें क्या है, वाइट हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एज यू कैन ऑब्जर्व इन द डायग्राम. ओके, here in the diagram these hair like structure, okay, like this is a pea seed, this hair like structure appears. Okay, so when this hair like structure appears over here, we call this sprouted food. Okay, we call it sprout. ठीक है, white hair like structure जब किसी भी seed में appear होती है, then we call it a sprout. And we can directly eat this sprouted food. Okay, आपने चना दाल को खाया भी होगा या मूंग, जो मोठ अपन खाते हैं ना, वो इसी के एग्जांपल होते हैं. Take dry seed of moong dal and chana filled with water, leave this aside for a day. Next day drain the water, wrap them with a piece of wet and cloth and set aside. A small structure may grown out of the seed. Okay, the seed have sprouted. If not, then wash and then repeat the same process. Now here one more thing, bees collect nectar from flower, okay, and convert it into the honey. This honey we obtain from bee hive, okay, hive, and store it in their hive. honey को जब वो अपने मधुमक्खी छत्ते में स्टोर कर लेता है, we obtain from the hive. Now the most important question which appears in the exam, these three headings, herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. ये जो तीनों हेडिंग है ये आपको हमेशा के लिए लर्न करना है, बिकॉज ये एग्जाम में 100% अगर ये चैप्टर आपको दिया है तो ये तीन डेफिनेशंस आपसे ऑलमोस्ट पूछी जाएंगी. what do you mean by herbivorous? The animal which eat only plants or plant product, these are known as herbivorous. okay, जो सिर्फ प्लांट और प्लांट पार्ट्स को खाते हैं वो herbivorous कहलाते हैं. ठीक है, एन एनिमल विच ईट अदर एनिमल्स, ओके, अदर एनिमल्स आर नोन एज कार्निवोरस. ओके, जो अदर एनिमल्स को खा जाते हैं उन्हें कार्निवोरस, जैसे लॉयन है, जितने वाइल्ड एनिमल है दे आर कार्निवोरस. डियर, शिप, गोट, दे आर हर्बीवोरस. which eat both animal and plant, they are known as omnivorous. Omnivorous, it means they can eat even plant as well as animals also, so they comes under the category of omnivorous. Okay, by this we have learned the chapter complete. We have completed our chapter. Now move to the question answer. Okay, even the definition of these three like herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous also given in the summary. जब भी आप कोई चैप्टर रीड करें तो उसकी समरी में चीज़ें जो हैं और व्हाट आर द कीवर्ड्स, आप इन चीज़ों समरी और कीवर्ड इनको हमेशा ही अपने दिमाग में फिक्स करके रखें, बिकॉज ये पेपर में यहाँ से क्वेश्चन जरूर पूछे जाएंगे. नाउ do you find all the thing living thing need the same kind of food? No. Okay, because कुछ एनिमल्स हैं जो क्या हैं, कार्निवोरस हैं, कुछ हर्बीवोरस हैं जो हर्ब्स को ईट करते हैं, प्लांट पार्ट्स को खाते हैं, ठीक है, और कुछ क्या है, ओमनीवोरस हैं जो सब कुछ खा लेते हैं. नेम एनी 5 प्लांट एंड देयर पार्ट्स वी ईट. ये आपका होमवर्क है जो आपको करना है और कमेंट बॉक्स में इसको आंसर करना है. नाउ this you can do easily, but I can also complete. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee, these are animal product. Okay, then spinach, cauliflower and carrot, these are what? These are vegetables. Now lion and tigers, they can eat other animals, so they are carnivorous, whereas herbivores are known as the animals which eat other animal plant and plant products. Here the Philip tiger is a carnivorous. Tiger is a carnivorous. Okay. Deer eat only plant and plant products, so it is herbivorous. Okay. Now third, parrot eat only what? They eat only plant products, seed, okay, and fruit of the plant. The dash that we drink which come from cow, buffalo, okay, so this is the milk. Milk come from cows and buffaloes. We get sugar from sugarcane. Okay. By this, we have completed our chapter from class 6. I hope you enjoyed a lot. अपने इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें. कुछ भी अगर आपको कमी लगी हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर कमेंट करें. हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें. हम 6 to 12 के जितने भी 6 to 10 का साइंस, 11 12 का बायोलॉजी, जितने भी टॉपिक हैं, चैप्टर हैं, उनको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे एंड वी विल ट्राई टू डू बेस्ट आउट ऑफ बेस्ट. So support us by like, subscribe and share. Thank you a lot.